Welcome to Burra Market. Look at the food. What do you want? This girl is cooking an omelet. What does she need? She needs eggs and cheese. What's he doing? He's making salad. What does he need? He needs onions, peppers, and carrots. He doesn't need any eggs or cheese. What's she doing? She's making a smoothie. What does she need? She needs bananas and yogurt. Cooking is a lot of fun. What do you want to make? Do you want to make a fruit salad? What do you need? You need apples, you need bananas, and you need oranges. Yum! That looks good!